became aware of major problems with the frame. The frame is made of steel, so it's been on the road through salty winters every year since 1999. The outer body is aluminum, so the outer body does not rust, but underneath there's severe damage that warrants immediate attention rather than putting it off till next year's budget cycle. Repair was unanticipated. It exceeds our vehicle repair budget. The advice I was given from the finance director was that because our vehicle repair budget comes out of the general fund, that with your approval I can overspend my budgeted amount, and he will work behind the scenes to justify that, make that work out by the end of the year overall in accounting for the city's funds. So we had remain on the road till approximately the year 2033, which would be the next time we put a new fire engine in service. So it has to last several years. So we have confidence that F&S Automotive can do the job well. They're the only vendor that would produce an estimate for us, and you see that.
So I was like, whoa, okay, well, that's a lot of money, and this is a 1999 truck. And I had so many questions, but when I read through this, literally all of them were answered. From the, apparently we're not going to be working with, this inspector, the company that does the inspections. The reason why we're not putting in a bid for another truck until, well past 2030. So while I don't really like this, in my mind it makes sense, and I think we're doing it at the right time, and I'm glad that the finance department is willing to, to make that happen. So thank you for catching.
Body's in great shape. The water pump is in excellent shape. It's always performed above its specifications. It's an excellent pumping water truck. Although it's older, it predates the modern emission requirements that require an additive called diesel emission fluid. So there's several reasons that we really like this truck. The fellows that work on it love this truck, and I think it's worth investing in this repair.
All right, thank you, Chief.
Chief, just looking at the estimate, they talk about labor may vary, okay? And I'm okay with that, but how open is that number? Because it's at 8,500. What do they anticipate it may be?
Mr. Stebbins, who met with me, the proposal indicated that he estimated on the high side, and he didn't believe that he would exceed this amount. And generally, the rules that directors have to abide by within their budget is that we can't pay for something more than 10% beyond the agreed price. So I'm confident that F&S Automotive will live up to the promise on the quality of the work as well as the price.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.